Hi.
Hi.
Hi, this is Rotractor Sanjana Kotak. I am the secretary at the Rotaract Club of Bombay West for the year 2021.
Okay, so Sanjana, we'll be asking you four questions. So I'll
Okay.
ask you two of them and then Sneha will take over. And you
Mm-hmm.
can answer however you like.
Cool.
Okay,
Sounds great.
so starting with the first question, how is your experience being the secretary of the club?
I won't lie. It's not. It's difficult, obviously, since I don't have a, joint sec with me. But I'm lucky to have a great team, so it's easy to work, with the people. And we've had our ups and downs like any secretaries had. But I think the overall experience has been really really good, and it's a new experience. It's my second year in Rotaract. So I'm a very timeline, and I have a little OCD kind of a person. So for me, secretary work comes in like, it's a multitask that I can do. So yeah, I'm very happy. I love the journey. I think it's been great. I don't realize that it's been like, half the year, like 2 quarters have gone by. But yeah, overall it's been brilliant.
I completely relate. Like when it comes to deadlines, I need it at that time.
Yeah, so like under pressure performance is good. Like obviously, like any
True,
secretary, we've had our bad months, we've had our great months.
true.
But yeah, it's overall it's great.
I mean, luckily for us, the work is divided. Thank God.
Yes. Very, very
I'm
lucky.
telling you, if I like the only reason, so I wouldn't mind a joint sec, but I think my team, like, my core team, my directors, I think they do a brilliant job. So they make it very easier for me, and we all work together. So if 10th is a deadline for me, I think 10th is a deadline for everybody. It's not like, oh, it's only the secretary who's supposed to do it. So I
Right.
think, yeah, that way, like, touchwood, it's very very good. So yeah, it's easier to do things.
That's great. So, what made you apply or what made you become the secretary for this year?
So honestly, I was a general body member in 2019-20, and Rotaract was not a planned decision for me. So it was a random, choice of, opting for Rotaract, just because I've been working. I wanted to get out of that monotony, and I wanted to do something different. And Rotaract just did happen to, come to surface for me. And in no time, I was very active in Rotaract. I was participating in all club activities. I was, a part of district events. I was, close to people at the club, so on and so forth. So just taking up a position of responsibility next year was something that I thought that I should do. So that's when I thought that, okay, why not apply for core? So yeah, that's how I plan to apply for secretary. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, I didn't think about it so much even back then, because I wanted to be involved. I wanted to be more involved than I was. And
Right.
I thought that a core position, would do that for me to understand what exactly goes around in Rotaract. So I think, yeah, that was my thought process when I, filled the application. So yeah.
Okay. So, we have two more questions, and over to you, Sneha.
Okay. So, so tell us how you handling the work. So, like, do you have some strategies? Do you have some ways? How are you handling all of it?
So we have set formats that we follow in the club for the reports, and we have a set timeline, for directors to submit their reports, and for the cross check to happen, and so on and so forth. So like any other club, obviously directors submit reports, which then we cross check, and do the errors, rectify them, check everything if it's in order and everything, and then upload on Pranali. But I think the flow of communication, to the directors, giving them reminders, for example, or following up with verticals, or just being on track with the list of reports that we are supposed to submit, in for the next month, is pre-prepared or is pre-planned. So that's how it becomes easier. There is no set strategy, or is set thing, but there is a seamless understanding, that I share with my core team, as well as with my directors, sectors, and it becomes easy for me to communicate with them. And it's a very open platform for them to come and speak to me, and if even if they have any issues or concerns, if they made errors in a report, or so on and so forth. So it's just like that. I mean, the motto of the club is family beyond Rotaract, but I think the vibe that we share among each other is definitely like a family, and it's not work. So it's easier to do things, when you're comfortable with your, co-person. So yeah, I think that's about it. We don't realize when the month goes by, and when reports have to be submitted and everything. So yeah, pressure is there obviously, but yeah, it's fun. I mean, we just do it together, we take it together, we make mistakes together, and yeah, it's just together. So I'm okay.
Okay. So, what are the difficulties that you're facing because of this online situation?
um I won't say difficulty. Personally, since it is my first year as secretary, or as first year as, core member, I would have loved if events would have happened on ground. It would have been a great way to, connect more with people outside the club also, because this has definitely become a very club to club, thing that is going on for the year actually. But for example, if, there were joint projects, or, other projects that we would do, or just get invited, or just meet unofficially for a lot of other things, I think the connect that ideally, we as, for example, even we as co-secretaries, we haven't spoken a lot in, since the year has started, because we haven't got that platform to meet or interact in the first place. So
True.
I think that is one thing that I miss, that I would have loved, meeting people, like, because I'm a people's person, so I love meeting new people, having conversations with them, and just engaging with new people for new experiences. So I think that is something that I miss. um Difficulty wise, I think that, at the end, the creativity somewhere down the line gets restricted because it's online. So the plans that everybody would have to execute grand projects, or grand events, or so on and so forth, the creativity just comes to a standstill for a few things. Obviously there are certain avenues where obviously the horizon has opened, which has expanded, where you can do way more than you thought. So I think we've realized that a lot of avenues can be done in a different way, and everybody stretch their boundaries. But yeah, I think somewhere down the line, on ground events is something that everybody is going to miss. So yeah, and I think the one thing which was very which I was waiting for was installation. And again, we did like a come offline come online installation. But yeah, I think all in all, it's good. The difficulties obviously are there, we just have to get immune to it, and adjust to what's been offered to us. So yeah, that's just it. I mean, people are just looking more and more now towards on ground, because the COVID situation is
Yeah.
improving a little bit, but then still people are a little skeptical about if they can step out, can't step out, kind. So I
That's
think
true.
last quarter will be better.
Agree.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We're hoping for more on ground events since the vaccination process also started. So people are a little, positive towards what's going to happen in the future.
Yeah, so we're just hoping the last quarter is better.
I think everybody, all the Rotaract clubs, in fact, not just Rotaract, everybody's hoping for these few months to be a little easier than they were.
We
Yeah, I
want
mean,
to
eight
end.
months has been 8 months sitting in the house has been very like too boring,
Frustrating,
and just the same
frustrating
thing
boring.
again and again and again. But yeah, I mean, it's easy to say that on ground events can be done, but then obviously everybody's safety and something is the responsibility of when you're planning something. So keeping everything into account, and then planning is very very important. So we as a club did start doing our on ground activities since the month of October itself. So we have been doing on ground events since October. But yeah, definitely we take care of all the safety measures, and all the people, how many can come at a time, so on and so forth and everything, and then that's how it's carried out. But I think, yeah, everybody is becoming more and more serious towards restrictions, and it's just that people are careful, which previously I think people would have just ignored, which I think is a good sign that people are
True.
careful now as to, what are they doing, how they are interacting, what are they touching, and how are they, doing things. So yeah, I think it's a great experience. I think this year being digital, even though it's been a great new experience. I think somewhere down the line, I do feel sad that yes, it is digital, but I think if it had not been this, then I don't know what would I expect. So I'm happy the way it is going, because all of it is just together, and we're trying to make the most of what we have. So
I think we've just explored a new side of how Rotaract could work
I
online.
swear.
Yeah.
We would have never imagined something like this, at least.
Yeah, I don't think anybody, like, online, I think people would only come for lectures, or for just formal things, like, because theek hai, karna hai to we have to come karke. But I don't think otherwise anybody would have thought of, okay, we're doing things on a Zoom platform, we're doing things on a Microsoft Teams platform, or so on and so forth. So yeah, like, I think everything has happened on Zoom, from the start of their, like, interviews to inductions, to your instis, to your projects, to everything. I think all of it, goals, has been, everything has been online.
I was hoping for goals to be offline so bad because that was one place where we could have interacted, especially the
Yeah,
uh, Pressec and DCMs.
yeah,
But
yeah. I agree. I mean, I don't think I know a lot of secretaries. I do. I won't say I don't, but that's very formal again. Like,
right,
obviously, you do talk to each other, and
right,
form bonds, because you're all from the same zone, or from the same groups and everything.
true.
But still, it's a different feeling altogether when you interact with somebody, and get to speak to somebody on an informal platform.
That's
And yeah,
true.
that's something that everybody is going to miss. So hopefully we get an opportunity to meet soon, so all of us can,
Hopefully.
like, at least, yeah, like, at least interact and each other, like, yes, I exist, I'm from this club, yes, you exist, you're from that club. So
So,
yeah,
yeah, that's about it from us. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your experience with us.
it's great. I'm very happy to be here. This is not something that I have done. This is my first, but I'm very happy. I'm glad that you all are doing this, and we get to hear a lot about what we secretaries do. But I think hearing from them as to what is happening this year specifically is different for each one. So I think that way it's great. Congratulations to you guys, and thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm very happy. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.